Welcome to Concepts. Chapter 7 Simple Interest and Compound Interest. Simple Interest and Compound Interest chapter hi section 2 mark in home kanin. Section number 1 Simple Interest. Section number 2 Compound Interest. Section number 3 Simple Interest and Compound Interest. Amate ni ka relationship. SI equal to PRT divided by 100. It's a high school laya but it's a formula hi I by heart diu ka ta sanin. It's a very easy formula na. Hit ya het jong chu a hobby se pon. Hit ya jong het ding a hi in chula in addition it's a formula hi ka say num chu pi ham tile. Simple interest ki ti chu it is the same thing as time into r% into principal. It ya jong zi thei chana. Tu a hi rate kiti it is always given as percentage. For example 10% percentage to divided by 100 t na ahi easy ahi shortcut direct PRT divided by 100 iti ai is easy cha a meaning chu pha mitile interest kiti chu iti ang zi thei cha simple interest kiti chu a percentage a sai dinga chu t into r% asuma sai dinga chu into principal iti jong hin heute. For example, question chun rate kiti hi 10% per annum anti. 10% per annum ati chu meaning chu 1 year ahi interest will be 10%. Asuma sai dinga chu into principal multiply ke bol ji chana. Okay. Ale tu ahi 5 years. So it will be 5 into 10 equal to 50. 50% is it. Asuma sai dinga chu into p ga vet ka ute laya hi principal chu p he iti ucho na ai rate of interest chu for example 10% iti ucho le time chu 5 years iti ucho ai formula dung jo wa chu simple interest equal to PRT p into 5 ikati ju chu na ai le ilangai I het diu dan chu 10% per annum ahi ahilechan. For example, rate equal to 10% and theta per annum. Ahile time equal to izat ha. Time equal to 5 years. So ahile direct interest, simple interest kiti chu 5 into 10, 50% is into asumase denga chu principal. So it will be 50 divided by ahile wale p divided by 2 is cho. Langkar ajang je cancel lewchan 2. They are the same thing. Ani ni ahet in a pie na. So langkara chu formula ahi in SI equal to PRT divided by 100. Langkara chu logic ako na het du dan chu hilaya hi kasai banga chu interest kiti chu time to hin rate kiti hi multiply le chun this in terms of percentage asumana say ngale into p hiti ajong hi het diwa. So, for example, question nung zo ya rate equal to say 1/2% hetivte per annum. And let time period of investment for example 3.5 years hetivte. Question tin ahin petay. Ale interest is at them. Formula jang lawa unitary method is a highlights simple interest. Simple interest is at hedi. To 25 divided by 2 into this will be 7 divided by 2% is it. Example khat navet beutin. For example, question in rate of interest to 10% per annum hinjeta. 20% per annum hetiut. Ale time period of investment here, let's say 5.5 years hetiut. Thum dance. And now you want to find interest. Simple interest a percentage size at hede. 1 year at 20% here lechon. 5.5 years at is at hede. 11 by 2% is in china. So cancel ka bola this will be 10. It will be 110% in nice. Simple interest is this. Asuman hold no male into principal multiply na ball. Topic number 2 common problems. Problem type 1 basic problem hone beute. If the simple interest on rupees 400 for 10 years is rupees 280, then the rate of interest per annum is Ahile lai ahi ivet ahile rupees 400 is the capital, this is the time, and this is the simple interest. Ahile i formula dung zo iwa jo simple interest equal to principal 400 into rate kiti chu i hold diu r divided by 100 into time is 10, so cancel the bola like this, cancel the bola like this, cancel the bola like this, equal to rate equal to 7%. The simple interest on the sum of money is 8 by 25 of the sum. If the number of years is numerically half the rate percent per annum, then the rate percent per annum is, okay, simple interest equal to 1 into rate to twice x divided by 100 into x. So this will be the rate, this will be the time. Cancel ka bola le this will be 4. Cancel ka bola le this will be 2. Langkara ka sola hile 16. 16 equal to x square. So this has to be 4 square na. 16 kila 4 square kasi hile x equal to 4. Quotient hold the integer, rate hold the integer. Rate so ihon twice x ito 2 into 4. So the answer is 8%. So this will be the correct answer. To acha hi le example le solve liu dang ga sahin to in problem explain hin bol nge. The simple interest of on a sum of money is 8 by 25 of the sum. Sum to net lo cho sum to principal he you don't know. So it's a principal to p na ti di ham ai la wa le principal to rupee 1 ti di ham na. To equation dung zo ya cho simple interest equal to 8 by 25 of the sum of the capital of the kiti chu into t na chna principal chu into p hizing ai let lang khada hi simple interest equal to 8 by 25 into 1 chu 8 by 25 hizing chna let to equation chun the number of years is numerically half the rate percent. Rate kiti chu e la chai ho hin rate of interest we don't know chu ji chun x ate so x percent per annum hi tai tiu okay, chin na so confuse forget about this. Time to question nung so it is numerically half the rate percent, so it is x. Half x so half x calculation hung bera de ba chi chun anom zo chu pham ti le chi x hi le chi twice x jing chana or it in say time to half into rate hi ja chu rate to twice x ti while cancel bola x jing chana. So rate to twice x ahiya hile time to x is chita banga chu langkha dai rate to twice x kati ahile time to x is ale to ahi hichi chapter simple interest ahi ka sai nom chu bhiam dile formula tam ta na be ta hi jang le most of the time simple interest equal to principal into rate into time hichi formula is ago te ji diu cha hichi formula hi calculation no pen. So in this case simple interest equal to 8 by 25p equal to principal into rate kiti chu twice x divided by 100 into time. Cancel ka bola ile this, cancel ka bola ile this will be 50, this will be 2. Langkara ka sole 16 to 4 square. Pi bola square kati ham pili langkara x square zia implies x equal to 4 is question and also rate hold into rate to twice x. Rate to twice x, which is 2 into 4, 8%. So principal to piyong nalate, but this is not recommended. So principal to 1 ahila simple interest 8 by 25. If formula to it is ang zile chen na kasi bang chen. If information tam ta na ita cho joy ipiti na za diam tel it formula hin so 2 zile chen. Simple interest kiti to 8 by 25 equal to principal into rate into time. Cancel bola like this, cancel bola like this. Langkara ka sole 16 4 square equal to x square, 4 equal to x. So it is solvable zero. In the starting years, the sum of money is doubled itself at 6.1 by 4% simple interest per annum. The required time will be. Okay, cho giống chữ khát về gái explain nghe. Principal này hết point. Principal này lâu giờ cho rupees 1 hết it. Rupee 1. Ai lệ. A sum of money is doubled. Meaning amount will be 2 rupees. Double tas na 2 into 1 so 2 is in lawang na. In this case, simple interest is at here. Amount minus principal so 1 rupee is in chana. To ahe. Okay, 6.1 by 4% hong kita tayo. Chizong to have explain no means 6.1 by 4% kiti. It is 25 divided by 4% tinay. So 25 divided by 4 divided by 100 tinay. Achong lang fraction ay no lang fraction. So 25 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 100. Chizong to 25 divided by 4 into 100. So conveil say the loading. 6.1 by 4% here halitan direct 24 25 25 by 4% hintin percentage so divided by 100 is so it will be directly 400 4 into 100 25 divided by 400 it is easy so it was easy to like ball 0 be direct 25 divided by 400 it is easy so cancel the ball at this you will get 16 the mode it's 25 divided by 4 into 100 tinay lawang na. See 1 divided by 4 here, 1 divided by 16 tinay tacha. So in this case, the male is rate kiti 1 by 16 tinay tacha. Ele tu ahe I formula dung zoi wa chu formula za di ti uzang chu ipiha information tamatam cho principal zang umta amount zang umta rate time gamtinum but question approach value dan chu inzo ka say formula chu simple interest equal to principal into rate ong chu 1 by 16 ti hilaw into time za da I hold audio so time equal to langkara ka sol 16 years is in law. Okay, pibola 1 by 100 kala law hum ti confuse ang confuse na law ding in khatwe chom ben ga explain leng 1 this is simple interest equal to principal into rate to 25 divided by 4% so na a percentage acho na zi no mali tian zi 25 divided by 4 into 100 so into time which we have to find so cancel na bola le for 1 by 16 hilawang na so it's a 1 by 16 pa so direct ay lang aga zi 8 so divided by 100 ka koy law so confuse po tina sort kara direct aka pol hitay. In what time will this becomes this at 6.1 by 4% per annum simple interest? Katu say jo tha repeat leng. This is the principal, this is the amount, this is the rate. Question hold into jo time hold into. Ahile question jo information tamatam jo hizong le nang hin if formula na za diham. It will make a big difference na katu say na zo ya hile. Question approach dan jo simple interest equal to principal into rate into time. It's a formula hi kaza de ti na long thima agelechen. So now you will find a simple interest 72 to 81 kiso. This is the principal, this is the amount. So minus legend you will get the interest is in lawang na interest so 9 rupees tacha 9 equal to principal to 72 into rate 6.1 by 4 rong so 1 by 16 he tiu hilaw into time ke hello na hold do din less so time he tiu te so it's 4 cancel bola hile I will get 4 so 4 cancel ka bola hile I will get 1 4 hile 3 32 1 8 cancel ka bola hile this will be 1 this will be 2 cancel ka bola hile this will be 2 so lang karaka sola hile time equal to 2 years so very simple ka to say but question approach dani thip ngai question the approach theme la wa hile information na muta ipi ka lo diam there is a question na ipi ka lo diam na ti hile for this particular simple interest problem it's a formula ka zagut he ti gel dollars. The principal which gives rupees 1 interest per day at the rate of 5% simple interest per annum. Okay, chizang chaga ji sauling. Ji sau da the simple interest kiti cho it is rupees 365 is equal to principal you don't know rate cái teacher question đúng rồi 5 divided by 100 into time cái teacher in this case 1 year so cancel bola hele this will be 20 so langkara multiply ka bola hele 365 into 20 ong so ding this will be 0 1 in hand 13 1 in hand 7 300 so this will be the answer ong po do dan chu hele laya hi question chun SI interest ke teacher SI chuna question dung zia rupee 1 per day teacher per day question chun langkara say get the rate of interest to ipitia 5% per annum per year teacher na inzo ka say banga unit ke ba sa ji ding per day ki ti hi per year a convert lechen 1 day a hi 1 rupee a hi le 1 year a chu 365 days chana so 1 day a chu okay common sense jang ji taute 1 day a chu 1 rupee a hi le 365 days which is 1 year na 1 year also interest is at body 1 year also 365 rupees is in lawang so this will be your interest ni khada interest cheng khat hele kum khada interest 365 kum khada interest simple interest ke jo principal into rate ke hello question chun principal ke hello rate 5 by 100 into time on so question dung se 1 year teacher na Problem 2. Capital invested in parts. Ram deposited a certain sum of money in a company at 12% per annum, simple interest for 4 years, and deposited equal amount in fixed deposit in a bank for 5 years at 15% per annum simple interest. If the difference in the interest from two sources is this, then the sum deposited in each case is. Okay, question chu veda hile pasal khat hen langka dahi we don't know the principle na rupees p he tiu langka dai rupees p cha thum na cha calculation awang kan za lo this explain bol na ka man thu hen langka dahi interest chu 12% per annum in 12% per annum hintin kumizat invest bola for 4 years langka dahi 15% per annum for 5 years ahile inzo ka sai je 12% per annum ki jo 1 year ahe 12% interest in ahile ahile 4 years also interest is at hede that is the question interest is at hede it will be multiply ka bol ahile 48% na langkara jong hi interest ki jo kumnga songa interest so it will be 75% kum this is per annum kum khara jo 15% ahile kumnga acho interest is at 75% is ingchala ahile interest 48% ahile amount is at okay question chon say chu difference in the interest from two sources okay difference in the interest from two sources is 1350 okay el langkha dahi rupees p langkha dai rupees p ahile chi asuma convert na bowling ahile interest 48% itiu asuma convert the bowling ahile principal to multiply de gati chana langkha rajang principal doesn't multiply the hilanga principal jang chu p chana pp kala ji cho hila question chun amount ni cho ke bange ati ja cha le tu ai amati ni difference hol do di ati amati ni difference za de khat 75% of p khat 48% of p hila direct ga plus minus ke bol the chana percentage ti ni cha 75 minus 48% direct ga minus ka bol the so it will be 7 it will be 2 so 27% of p ta 27% of p the question is that here 1350 teacher I 1350 hintin so okay it's 10 hit 27 into 5 35 3 in hand 135 cancel ka ball I will get 50 the principal so direct 5000 is in talawang na a sum of rupees 5000 is divided into two parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 4.5 years at this is double the simple interest on the second part for these years at this. What is the difference between the two parts? 5000 two parts x to y to tao te he điều chu x plus y ki ti chu 5000 ta chana ai la question chun hilanga he for years ati chu 21 by 5 into rate kiti chu 20 by 3%. This is a simple interest. Cancel ka ball at 7, cancel ka ball at 4, so I get 28%. Asuma say dinga chu into x. Langka dai y chu 11 by 3 years into 4%. So total interest is this. Cancel ka ball hai le 11%. Asuma say dinga chu into y. Question say chu ichipahi 28 divided by 100 into x. Kitipahi double this one 11 by 100 into y. Cancel ka ball at this, cancel ka ball at 14. So x divided by y chu 11 is to 14. Question chen hold into chu difference. Difference kiti chu amati ni difference of 3 out of 25 is in lawang. X ratio y chu 11 is to 14. Ay amati ni difference of 3 out of 25 is in chana into is that hey x plus y chu 5000 chana. Si percentage chapter ratio chapter ay ni ball jing chana. So iti ajang hi iti ay ball diu hai. A sum of 7930 is divided into 3 parts and given on loan at 5% simple interest to A, B, and C for 2, 3, and 4 years, respectively. If the amounts of all the three are equal after their respective periods of loan, then A receive a loan of 7930. It is divided into among 3 people, A, B, C. Amaho a capital loads a head team dengan rupees A, rupees B, rupees C head is in with it. So rupees A, rupees B, rupees C, so it will be 7930 hitai. Mail si dengan agak zi bawa ya. To I question dung zo ya so a bond si kaya 5%. Ilang zang hi 5% investment ilang zang 5%, ilang zang 5%. Ay la ilaya hi for 2 years. For 2 years. 2 years. So rate to time multiply bola interest ng po zi na. So interest will be a percentage sa 10%. Interest will be a percentage sa 3 years, 4 years ati. It will be 15%. This will be 20%. Ele tu ahe amount question chen ipisaya. The amount of all the three are equal after their respective period teacher. Amount ati zi amount hold okay dutin. Interest 10% the amount will be 100 to plus ka bole 110%. Chuzong cho 115%, chuzong cho 120%. Asuma say denga cha into capital which is A, into capital which is B, into capital which is C. Question dung zo ya cho icho thomi ke bange ti cha. So equation la ko na ratio I hold out he zeu chana. Ama sa pen na hi percentage divided by 100 ti na ya ki cancel the so okay cha. So 100A equal to this equal to this. So cancel ka ball ke dale 5 22A equal to 23B equal to 24C. Ale A ratio B ratio C equal to 1 by 22, 1 by 23, 1 by 24. Ale just 23 into 24, 22 into 24, 22 into 23. Let y it shows is a number multiply bolding. Multiply na bullseye part le A equal to group and parts formulas is like China. For example, 23, 24 multiply legend 12 1 in hand. This will be 92. This will be 46 255. So the answer will be 552 divided by EPA hidena 552 na mo so chata banga cho 22 into 24. This will be 48 48 825 528. Ratio 23 22, so 46 46. This will be 605 506. Jothum plus kit in line. It's very calculative. 552 528 506 6. This will be 6 1 in hand. This will be 7 8. This will be 1586 into total, which is 7930. 15 and 79 multiply building 0 5 65 or 30 into 5 33 in hand 43 4 in hand 25 29 2 in hand 7930. Okay, cancel ka bola. This will be 5 So this will be 0, 1 in hand, 25, 26, 2 in hand, 25, 27, 27, 60. So calculations, it's very big. It is solve low method dang chu ke. A man invests 1/3 of his capital at 7%, 1/4 okay, start. A man invests 1/3 of his capital at 7%, 1/4 at 8%, and the remainder at 10%. If his income is this, the capital is. Okay. Capital and A. Capital to it is invested in 3 parts. Number 1, number 2, first part, second part, third part. Capital to we don't know. Question 1/3 of his capital. Abana 1/4 of his capital ti cho na ahile ija x ila sang win calculation anup mading hin number khat pen laute. Number khat pen la de dan chu 3 to 4 in cancel a bol thai number chu 12 is chana. So ama a capital hi rupees 12 etita. To x na gala de cho generally x high calculation nup lawin tin ni he diu chu number inup kila thai chan nup la 100 ong na gala thai but calculation chu convenient hi veta. So number hi calculation nup mading I choose dan thip ngai in this case if it choose a bol hum tile 3 in cancel a bol thai 4 in cancel a bol thai. So in value chan 1/3 so I like of capital to 12 cancel ka bola le 4 is in lawang. So a capital to 4 rupees tin ta chala. So into 12 rupees le cancel ka bola 3 rupees is in ta chala. Le 7 here langka cho rupees 5 is in lawang. Azi cho total 12, 4 plus 3 plus 5 to 12 chana. So number 2 zanong thiep ngai. Question chun first part to 7% te. 7%, second part to 8%. Banach remainder at 10%. Time ke say talo pina. Time ke say le time cho bond ke 1 year I like chai. 1 year. So the interest will be 7%, 8%, 10%. Ela suma say denga cho interest will be 7 divided by 100 into 4. 28 divided by 100 ta. So then multiply ka bol. So hilaya interest so it will be 24 divided by 100. Laya zong it will be 50 divided by 100. So this is rupees. Hala question chun his income is this ti ai hoin a income chu ga sai ute income chu ai hoin so thumi plus ka bol le 100 28 48 50 zong chu 20 40 90 98 102 income chu ai hoin 102 by 100 heti chu ai wanga question chun is at heti a question chun 561 heti chu ai le cancel ka bola this will be 51, cancel ka bola this will be 50. Then he cancel legend I think you will get 11. Ahile 1 ke teacher is at 50 into 11 ta cho na unitary method a cho. Then he cancel ka bola khara ka solve I get this. Ahile capital cho 12 chla ai ho hin capital cho rupees 12 etiu cho ahile asumta ta cha da he sumta ta cho one apat number dang cho multiply bol ju chna so 12 into 50 into 11. Then he multiply mas 11 15 12 into 5 is 60, 600 into 11, so it will be 660 na. Okay, 6,600. Problem type 3, same capital, same rate or same time. A certain sum of money triples itself in 5 years at simple interest. In how many years it will be 5 times? Velechun, there are 2 parts. Ama sa pen to triple, abana to 5 times. So problem he 2 parts are in. First part, triple. Triple jaga explain leng. Principal inang nihe talo so chizichun rupee 1 hete. The question dung zoya to amount is at hede. Triple sa tizya to amount to 3 times. 3 times principal which is rupees 3 tin hai jing chana cheng kha chu cheng thum ki swale 3 times is jing lawang. So in this case simple interest is at de simple interest chu cheng ni jing chana. So if formula dung zoi wa chu simple interest equal to principal into rate into time. Question dung zoi chu time chu 5 years ati lang ai to ai 5 times paga bolote. Same principle is here to cheng khat hiding amount to 5 times at is here to cheng nga hiding abana langai simple interest to cheng li ta ai formula dung zoi wa chu simple interest equal to principal into rate question dung zoi chu a rate ang ke bang time I hold do diu lai a hold do dan method ni method number 1 chu hele elaya hi direct a rate na ke hold do ma sat the r divided by 100 into 5 so in this case cancel ka bola hele rate equal to 40% hita bang hi number ni o phat le za the za nup na so hilangai ka koya hele 4 equal to 1 into 40 divided by 100 into question mark cancel ka bole this cancel ka bole 2 divided by 5 cancel ka bola hele 2 langkhara ka sola hele it will be 10 years iti ajang hi rate hold ma sa ding hilanga substitute bolding there is method number 1 ale method number 2 equation ni nei uchna equation 10 hi dividable le ke chai for example it's equation number 1 hi in it's equation number 2 equation ni divide ke ti che peti na left hand side divided by left hand side na left hand side divided by left hand side equal to right hand side okay 1 into r by 100 into question mark right hand side divided by right hand side 1 into r divided by 100 into 5 so 100 ki cancel in 10 10 ki cancel in 2 so ang haraka solid 10 equal to r to r ang cancel in question mark so the answer is 10 na method ni r hold masat or equation ni divide hi in haza zo diu cha number lit pha le che is at end of zoi a sum of this is the principal amounts to this is the amount in 3 4 by 5 years at a certain percent per annum simple interest what will be the simple interest on the same sum for 5 years at double the earlier date kasi banga chu problem hi simple interest ako na calculatable zero so amount umta principal umta amount umta so simple interest ki hold out level 13825 minus 10500 so this will be 25 this will be 33 so simple interest 3325 equal to principal which is 10500 into rate on to hit talo into time to 15 plus 4 19 divided by 5 it's equation number 1 hai tiute la bana cha question chun this is the first part na first part is equation is sim dot tawe second part what will be the simple interest on the same sum ati ai same principal ti nai chana for 5 years at double the earlier date okay to ai question chun simple interest ado we don't know equal to simple interest equal to principal 10500 into rate abula r ahile twice r na double is as divided by 100 into time to question nung ya to 5 years it's a whole integer equation 10 hi divide bol taute so dividable part le chi jaw sa da tau na ki cancel le thau so question mark divided by 3325 equal to so 10 is only cancel the thau cho 10 cancel jing ote cancel wa hele so chu pi ha 2 into 5 divided by anui langa khoi pi mo wa 19 divided by 5 ale chu jong chu okay question mark divided by 3325 equal to 2 in achi anui lang fraction he ja chu tin achung lang jong fraction so 11 2 divided by 5 divided by 1 into 5 divided by 19 na confuse it in allow deal so chi lang khara soleng into 3325 today ni cancel thei te in 3325 divided by 19 okay this will be 20 to hisab here so it will be 1 it will be 13 this will be 4 this will be 1 this will be 2 20 hisab here 20 into 7 14 so this will be 63 6 in hand 7 6 are 13 so this will be 9 this will be 5 19 into 5 equal to 95 so cancel ka bola this will be 75 so chite ni cho 10 hita chite ni multiply bola hele we will get 25 2 in hand 35 37 3 in hand Okay, 375 into 10, 3750. 175. So 175 into 5, 25 2 in hand, 35 37 3 in hand, 875. 8750. So 8750, this will be the answer. Okay, simple interest abula to 3325 equal to principal to 10500 into rate into time 19 divided by 5 iti uchana chate ni lang khara sol lewan 500 ilawang it is on ball hung na ba dan. Number 1. Number 2 to question mark principal into twice rate by 100 into time 500 ang lang khara sol lewan 2 and divide 11 100 divide 11 chate ni ki cancel intin bana cho chate ni ki cancel intin r to r ki cancel intin. So 5 into 3325 divided by question mark equal to lang khara hi 19 divided by 10. Chizong chu injo cancel bolwa chu 175. So question mark is at 175 into 5 to 25 2 in hand, 35 37 3 in hand, 8750 equal to question mark. Na it is solve ma salahan. Cancellation hang nom che. It's a problem to kind of solve the cancellation ki ball khilin chizi a chu ball de in khalwei thai in tha bowling. A sum of rupees 720 amounts to this at simple interest in 1.5 years. This is first part of the problem. It's a given information hi gawi masaute. A sum of rupees 720, this is the principal, amounts to this. This is the amount. Aile isai saying uchu problem simple interest ako ning calculation ki bol ji chizi as simple interest ki hold out in amount is this 720. So this will be 2, this will be 6, this will be 1. Simple interest equal to 720 into rate. Rate also r divided by 100 into time. Time so 1.5 so 3 by 2 t9 and cancel ka bola le. This will be 360. Abana cho second part of the problem, in how many years will the sum of rupees 800 amounts to this? This is the second part of the problem. Second part of the problem mahi principal to 800, amount to this. Aile to hin ilaya jongchun simple interest hold nan mangutin. So this will be 042. So 240 equal to capital to 800, principal to 800 into rate question nung so ya rate to kibang into time you hold out due. So divided by 100 divided by 100 ki cancel intin chate ni jong ki cancel intin. Okay, itin ga azing 162 divided by 240, left hand side divided by left hand side equal to 360 into 3 divided by 800 into t. Hoi chi achung langa pangle kho lo o to achu chi achung langa kana pan sa in anui langa pangjong le kho de lo o ki bang tho tho. So cancel ka bullet this, cancel ka bullet this. Bana cho 8, 3 are 24. Cancel ka bullet 7 plus 2, 9. Cancel ka bullet this will be 5, 54. 9 are cancel ka bullet this will be 9, 6 are 54, 9, 4 are 36. Cancel ka bullet this will be 2. Cancel ka bullet this will be 2. So time equal to 2 years. Time is 2 years eh option ni di lo he na. A sum of rupees 400, this is principal, amounts to this. I like ko na to direct simple interest equal to principal into rate into time. So ita banghi ahile very easy example in rate hollow hazing na cancel bola le this will be 20, cancel bola le 5. Number alit part le rate achuma go hold oi ne khat abu yeti thos. Etwa question chini bi say second part of the problem. What will it amount to if the rate of interest is increased by 2%? Ahile lai ai khat dei ga explaining a calculation awang chu ngai chabi se te lo ya principal chu 400 ma mai chu question chun rate to if it increased by 2% abula 5% increased by 2% rate to 7% teacher ele time to question chun ima say lo if it implies that the time is also 4 years na like amount hold in teacher amount direct gan hold out the mai la wala simple interest hold out ju chunai hoin simple interest to 400 into rate to 7 by 100 into time stay hinting, so this will be 28 into 4. 28 into 4 will be 232, 3 in hand, 112. 112 hinting, principal to 400 here, just the amount to 512. The sum of this amounts to this at 8.75% per annum simple interest in certain time. What is the simple interest on the sum of rupees 9,600 at the same rate for the same time? Okay, start. Layazang hit two part na problem sa two part hin ama sa achun simple interest ka hold out lawen 11046 minus 8400 si minus a ball 646 this will be 2646 2646 equal to prince 8400 into rate on to 8.75 na same rate same time cancel. Okay, 8.75 divided by 100 into time on ki hello t he tiute la question chun what is the simple interest like hello bana on the sum of capital 9600 same rate same time ti chuna 8.75 divided by 100 rate to kipang time same time cancel ele chiteni divide ka bola cancel ka bola cha so this will be chiteni jong cancel bola when 2646 divided by question mark equal to 84 divided by 96 chiteni hi ki cancel thailo mai thei cha iti hin sunyau masala chana this will be 4 this will be 8 this will be 21 and this will be 24 aki cancel thei ri jong le to awang ki cancel thei momong te vete 2646 divided by 21 1 ahile 21 this will be 54 so this will be 4 ahile this will be 48 sorry 8 op ka bo so 2 ahile this will be 42 so this will be 2 this will be 16 6 ahile this will be 6 126 so 21 to cancel ka bole I get 126 so question mark will be langkara ka solve cross multiply ka bole 126 into 24 is na so the answer will be 4 aga chai khat bo se so this will be the answer 24 2 in hand this will be 8 10 1 in hand 4 5 so this will be 2 1 in hand this will be 12 1 in hand 4 5 2 so this will be 3024 ti nai na 4 aga chai ti usna exam hile chu exact number holding ai point na correct option unit digit ho jangi ve ji ngai ki bang ham ki bang lo ham na unit digit chom chi a phal in calculation ni anup na khat chu pham de unit digit I hold ai le ke chai jing na abon bona go hold ngai lo aya bang chai unit digit abon chi ke ya okay 6102 00 chu ila do a hile chun khat tu a ke chai 3061 is a theyong khabe hin beut this becomes this in 2 years this will be the principal this will be the amount simple interest although nai mandiu 4644 4300 so 443 344 equal to 4300 into a rate on hello are divided by 100 into times 2 years. This is the first equation. Find the principal amount that will become this in 5 years at the same rate of interest. start ale to I simple interest ki hol do thei de lo na question dung zo ya che amount chu principal ne lo ja che x negative tai ale amount chu 10104 ai simple interest na gol do ding ai le chen 10104 minus x calculation hi to ai hung convenient lo mai thei na chu zia chu ept bol dio direct in r hi hold up masa jing ute number hi ung ki cancel thei le kilome so this will be 172 chu 43 chu 4 a can multiply bowling to 16 17 so cancel ka bola ile r equal to 4%. R ki hold out theta easily. To hint second part of the problem. Find the principal amount that will become this in 5 years at the same rate of interest. Ale to amount to 10104 equal to principal plus simple interest. It's na amount ki to principal plus simple interest. It's simple interest to principal into rate. Rate so 4 divided by 100 into time to question dung so yeah 5 cancel ka bullet this will be 25 cancel ka bullet this will be 5 so 10104 equal to this will be 5 stay to 6x so cancel ka ball theta into 10104 divided by 6 ahile 1641 ahile 636 this will be 50 this will be 8 48 24 so this will be 1684 just the other x ke teacher 1684 into 5 0 2 in hand abana 40 42 4 in hand 2 0 ke chai khat po same so this will be the answer so I got check 11 22 in hand 40 40 42 4 in hand 30 34 3 in hand abana so this will be 5 8 got ball kill mate here okay anti 9 8420 a sum lent out at simple interest amounts to this in 1 year and this in 4 years. The sum and rate of interest per annum are respectively. It's a problem he option ako ng calculate ito na as it's 1 year at the end buy bese lo. It's option number A to correct answer hetin got check with correct answer ham hilaw ham. Principal to 5,400 so. It's a question nung so as a rate of interest 9% teacher. Let to ay 1 year apa got check with I let rate to 9% per annum ahiya legend in zoa kasi piha interest kiti chu kum khara 9% is in chana I let to interest 9% hile amount is at hile 100 to plus ball hile 109% cha it is asuma say dinga into capital na le so it's then he multiply ball legend 109 to 54 9 to 4 to 36 6 socket size so possible answer 109 to 54 so this will be 36 this will be 4 this will be 45 this will be 5 6885 5886 meaning to it's a correct option hi bangle principal to 5,400 abana rate of interest to 9% amount to 5886 hiditi na chana ai banga to amount to 5886 hilopia so this is not the correct answer ele bana hi ga che gote 9% is the amount will be 109% into principal to 5,600 then it's 9 into 6 to 54 4 archetype so but 6 archetype so this is not the correct answer chita banga to it depends on here 4 into 10 okay just 110 fully explain principal to 5,400 abana to interest to 10% it's a rate of interest to 10% ahile amount to 110% so into 5400 cancel ka bola ahile this so 54 into 110 to anong pot dile 0 ka chai so ibanga chi 0 ka chai lopia so this is also not correct not possible di bola chi so this has to be the correct answer. A sum amounts to this at 9.5% per annum simple interest in 5.4 years. What will be the simple interest on the same sum this in 4.5 years? Okay, ilayahi first part of the problem. Sum amounts to this at 9.5% per annum. Total interest is at ilayahi interest to 9.25 into time to 5.4 hilawang. So langa interest is at percentage na. 9.25 to 5.4 so multiply bola we will get, this will be 100, 1 in hand, 36, 37. So this will be 125, 1 in hand, 45, 46, 0, 5, 9, 9, 4. Okay, so point to so this is 49.95%. What will be the simple interest on the same sum at this for this ati? Interest to 149.95% easy at amount is at hide. Interest ako na amount iholo patle plus 100% ibol ju hilong. So 149.95% is a percentage asay denga cha. Asuma say denga cha into capital cha. Question dung zo ya amount is at ya 14395.20 cha. Leto I question in whole in the teacher. What will be the simple interest on the same sum? Simple interest hold ding. Question dung zo ya zo rate to 8.6 ita cha percent hiya na. I let to kum chu za tia 4.5. 4.5 I let total interest is at 8.6 into 4.5%. Is at the hold in teacher question chan. So it's ako na chi hin hold ding chu 14395.20 divided by 149.95 into 8.6 into 4.5. It's a unitary method is already ang pot na. So the problem is such number ipiti divide volume kagagi cancel te jet kit law cha 14985 ti oi na. So ita bang problem bang sa exam ahong le dal ha top day zing na. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new.